Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to create multiple profiles in the Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Creating multiple profiles help you separate your work, personal or other browsing activities. Each profile has its own bookmarks, passwords, extensions and settings. So let's get started. First open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now in the top right corner you will find the profile icon. Click on the profile icon. From the drop down menu you will see profile name. Click on the profile name and then here you will find an option that says new profile. Click on this one. Now a new window will open. Here you can enter profile name such as work or professional or whatever you want. After that choose a theme, color. Finally click on the done editing button. That's it. Your new profile is now created. To switch between profiles, simply click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then click on the profile, current profile, and here you can see other profiles. Under other profiles section, click on any other profile you want to switch. Each profile works separately, so your bookmarks, passwords and extensions will not mix with other profiles. That's it, and that's how you can easily create and switch between multiple profiles in Mozilla Firefox using a simple method. This method is quick, easy and does not require any command or technical steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.